The Scientists Gift Organization, or SGO, is a licensed non-profit with a powerful mission to share knowledge, celebrate culture, and create meaningful connections through the spirit of giving.
But at the beginning of the second Saudi state, they did not realize that the allegiance to Al Saud family was strong and widespread among the tribal and urban population.
Here lies an opportunity for the people of Saudi Arabia to present their culture to the world, to share their timeless message rooted in Islam's spirit of tolerance, greatness, and beauty. Through education and cultural dialogue, SGO bridges the past and present, bringing people together to experience the depth of Saudi heritage. Come and join an afternoon free tour and immerse yourself in Saudi Arabia's rich history, starting at the legendary Masmak Fortress, a museum that tells the story of Saudi Arabia's founding. Wander through the vibrant stalls of Zaal Souq, a bustling marketplace filled with tradition, scents, and stories. From the Souq, drive to the majestic Rajhi Grand Mosque and witness the call to prayer. Here you can experience the unity of worship and explore its vast library filled with centuries of wisdom. End the evening with an authentic Saudi meal at Najdiyah Village, where hospitality isn't just a tradition, it's a way of life. Feel the warmth of a genuine welcome as you share in the flavors and generosity of the Saudi culture. The Scientists Gift Organization believe that knowledge is a gift meant to be shared, so come and be part of the mission to spread understanding, bridge cultures, and celebrate the beauty of giving.